Hey guys, it's Mari here. I'm going to show you today how to install the rear door window cover on HiAces, but especially how to make sure that you have the metal tabs attached correctly at the top, so then we don't have the sagging. Because as you can see, we have a plastic frame here. We got to find a way to get our magnets to work for us. So the way we do is using these little metal tabs. So at the top here, if you use your hand, you start feeling where the magnets are. So first, you can see that the magnets will attract the metal tabs. So you will easily understand where the magnets are placed. Because if you move your hands around, that's it. So make sure that the tape is facing up, and now you start peeling off and placing the metal tabs on the right location. So you grab the first one, you see where it's going. So you go, peel off, and then basically attach here to the top. Then you go next one, peel it off, and then attach here to the top. As you can see, now they are grabbing the magnets. So you do that for every single metal tab that you have. Make sure that the metal tabs are very close to the top of the window. Go one by one, very slow. You align them. So once they are in place, it's simple. You see that the magnets will attract the metal tabs. And then this way, you have a much cleaner look. Thank you.